Hello everyone, it's Ryan here with Frontline Animal Removal, and I want to show you a squirrel entry point by a power line and my solution or fix. Here's where the squirrels are going in. You got dirty paw marks on the siding, power line going back and forth. They're going right up through the hole. Now what's going on is we've got these little screens in these holes. But watch this. I'm just going to, well, I want to even use my finger. Watch. That's not doing anything. That's not doing anything. That's not doing anything. So let me show you the fix. Here's the fix. These are the fix. Now, someone needed to put ventilation in the soffit, so they went up and down and drilled 3-inch holes. This is 3 inches. Instead of, putting in the proper vent like this, they cut little squares of metal screen and pushed into the hole. Those little screens are not glued in, not nailed in, they're just pressed in there. And with the tip of my finger, I can push them out of the way. Well, guess what? A squirrel can push them out of the way. And that's exactly what happened here. Now, to cut and fit all those little screens, it probably took 2 to 3 minutes per screen to cut those. And these only cost a couple bucks a piece, actually less than $2 a piece. And these can just be pushed right in with a little bit of glue on it, or a nail along the flange, because there's a flange, and the squirrel won't pull them out. And they look better too. I mean, look at that. Those look way better. And because they're glued in place or nailed in place, you're not going to poke your finger through it. So if someone who had done a lot of hard work in the past putting in these terrible vents had simply gone to the hardware store and brought the proper vent, I wouldn't be here today. So when you're doing a remodel, do it right, or you might have to call me.